Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Bitlocker drive encryption cannot be used error code 0x8031004a. The locker drive encryption cannot be used because critical the locker system files are missing or corrupted. Use Windows startup prepared to restore these files to your computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it, copy the first command, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. After getting operation successfully, at this point go ahead and proceed to disconnect the external hard drive and the copy and paste the second command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. Second command will re-enable the Windows recovery environment guys. Now after getting operation successfully, now at this point reconnect your external hard drive to your computer and see if the issue has been resolved. If you still having issue, then you can try run a system file checker utility scan. Check my video description for this third command guys. Copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer guys. You just need to wait for it until this command finish up. This verification need to get 100% guys. Kindly please wait until this 100% is done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.